Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my class. Today, we are going to cover the 8th chapter of class 4th EVS, that is, Reaching Grandmother's House. This is all about Omana, starting from Omana's journey, then from the window. Now, we are going to complete the chapter Reaching Grandmother's House. After reaching at grandmother's house, what Umana had described in her diary, let's start the lesson. It was 17th May night around 11:30. After our long train journey, we reached Kottayam in the night at 11:30. The family of Umana reached at Kottayam. Baliamma's house was not far from the station, whom we called Badi Mummy. The Badi Mummy of Umana was there staying at Kottayam. We had to take two auto rickshaw to get there. You can see here two auto rickshaw are there. The family of Umana took two auto rickshaw to reach at Baliamma's house. By then I was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. I took a bath and slept. When they reached at Baliamma's house, she took a bath and slept. I thought I had just fallen asleep when Amma woke up again. We got ready, took our luggage and went to the bus stand. In the Baliamma's house in the morning, they got ready and took the luggages with them and went to the bus stand. Baliamma's family also came with us. We were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too. So, both the family of Omanas and Omanas Baliamma's family all came together to the Amuamma's house, mean Omana's grandmother house. They were all total 10 people. The bus conductor came and Appa bought ticket for all of us. Bus conductor who conduct the bus and who create the tickets of the bus travels. We managed to get seats as it went along. The bus got very crowded. People were sharing the seats. We also had to share our seats. Generally in bus we have to share the seats with other peoples. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. I was happy to get up. My legs were steep. I could hardly stand. While it was so crowded in the bus, the legs of Umana got steep, means Umana was feeling difficult to moving her legs. So Umana is now happy that they are going to get up from the bus. I bought I thought that we had finally reached Amuamma's village, but no. Omana thought that now we have reached to the Amuamma's village, but it was wrong. Our travel had not ended yet. The bus had dropped us by the waterside. The bus had dropped us by the waterside. Look, Amba pointed across the water. That is where we have to go. But how we will get there? I wondered. Amma told that we have to cross the river. But how? Omana is wondered. Just then I saw a boat coming. There is the ferry. You can see the ferry boat here. Amma said immediately a big crowd of people started getting up. School children, men, women, all with their own packets and luggage. Amma explained that the ferry was used by the people to cross the water and reach the other side. Amma explained that we have to cross by that ferry which is used to cross the water and to reach the other side of the water area. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from our side. So the ferry, when it reached at the bank, all the people came outside the ferry and a big rush, means the people from the bus, the people already they are gathered earlier, they started rushing towards the ferry. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Very soon the ferry was full, it started up again. So, before entering to the ferry, everyone has to pay the fare. After few moments, the ferry was full and again it started to cross the river. I managed to get a place to stand along the railing. Railing means the railing is the boundary used in the ferry. So Omana managed to get a place and stand along the railing. I saw the rippling of the still water as the ferry moved. When the ferry moved, the water creates one wave type signals. It was moving smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the banks of the river. Omana able to see many coconut trees on the bank of the river. As we moved swiftly, means fastly, I could see people fishing, washing, bathing along the banks and working. So the people were fishing there, washing clothes, bathing along the banks of the river, and some people were working there also. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. It was time for us to get up. At least we reached Amuamma's place. What a long and interesting journey it has been. So finally they reached at the other side of the river and finally they reached at the island because the Amuamma's house was in the island. It was time for us to get up. At least we reached at Amuamma's place. So it was overly long and interesting journey for Omana. Now we will move to discuss about the question answer part. The first one, Omana traveled by many different vehicles. After she got down from the train, can you remember what these were? So Omana had traveled by different vehicles and those are bus, boat and auto rickshaw. Next one, on which vehicles have you traveled on? Out of this, I have traveled on bus, truck, motorcycle, scooter, cycle and boat. All the vehicles I have traveled on. You can write your own answer here. The next one, which ride did you enjoy the most? Out of these rides, which ride did you enjoy the most? The ride of boat. Of course, the ride of boat is more interesting than any other vehicles. Omana left Ahmedabad on 16th May. How many hours did it take for her to reach Amuamma's house? You have to calculate the time from the arriving of Omana's family at Ahmedabad and getting off at Kottayam in Kerala. So overall it took 54 hours to reach. The next one, Omana's Appa bought tickets for the train and the bus. Can you think of other means of transport for which we need to buy tickets? So tickets are required for traveling anywhere in the country. So except train and bus, for what other transport the ticket is required? Of course, in order to travel in aeroplanes, air travels, we need tickets. Sometimes we need to buy tickets to enter a place. Can you think of such places? Even tickets are required for entering different places. For example, zoo, circus, cricket ground, magic show. For all these events, we need tickets. The next one, look at the picture of a railway ticket. Here you can see it is the picture of a railway ticket. Here you can find different things on a railway ticket and few questions are there. The train number. Here you can see the train number 9037. This is the train number. And the next one, the date of start of the journey. Where the train started. It is 24/12/2006. Here the date is written. And the next one, the birth number. You can see here the birth number 21 23, 22. 21 is lower berth, 23 is side lower, and 22 is upper berth. The next one, the fare, the cost of ticket. The cost of ticket you can see here, 2578 rupees. 2578 rupees. So here you can see even the train name, Awadh Express. Here it is written here, and many things. This is called PNR number 820644975. It is 10 digit numbers which is called PNR number. How many kilometers it has come across? 643 kilometers. So all these things here you can see, 2 adults and 1 child is traveling. So all this information we can get from the railway tickets. Even the coach, it is A1 here. Here you can see the age of their 39 years, 37 years and 7 years. So all this information we can get from a railway tickets. The next one, this is the traveling points of Nagaroli Express. Nagarcoil Express, that is train number 6335, and it is starting from Gandhidham to Nagarkoli. In between you can see here Kottayam, which the Omanas family arrived 2350, means it is in 24-hour clock format. Exactly it is 11:50 p.m. and from Gandhidham the departure time was 5:15 a.m. in the morning. 5:15. You can see the distance from the Gandhidham to Nagarkoli, it is 2,649 kilometer, and up to Kottayam it is 2,418 kilometer. So in the day 1 it started, and in the day 3 it is arriving at Nagarcoil. So let's have some questions on it. Please watch this picture in your books and you can answer accordingly. For example, write the names of all the stations in the table that are mentioned in Omanas diary. And the names are Gandhidham, Ahmedabad, Valsad, Madgaon, Udupi, Calicut and Kottayam. All the platforms Omana have mentioned in her diary. From what station did the train start? Obviously it is Gandhidham in Gujarat. How many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad station? It was 20 minutes there. On what day of the journey did the train reach Madgaon? Already I have told you, on the second day. Sunil and Anne got up at Kazikot station. Omana got up at Kottayam station. How many hours does it take from the train to reach from Calicut to Kottayam? From the chart you can see it takes around 6 hours. What is the distance that the train traveled over the whole route? In the top below corner you can see it is around 2,469 kilometers. It is clearly written on the below point. So this is all about Omanas reaching a grandmother's house. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries, you can visit us at superkvns.blogspot.com, or at the same time you can write to me at akm.kvs@gmail.com. So thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.